Okay, so for this log equation here, let me slide this over a little bit more. What I'm seeing is I've got a logarithm on both sides, so it's really nice if I only had a single log, then I could rewrite it as exponential. So that's where we're headed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add. Let's see. So I've got log base 6 of negative x plus 37. And if I add the log x, the single log x to both sides, that gives me this expression, equals 2. And then if I remember my log properties, where if I have two logarithms of the same base, and I'm adding them, I can just multiply the arguments. That becomes log base 6, negative x plus 37 times x. That equals 2. Then, because I am just multiplying those arguments, let's write this as log base 6 of negative x squared plus 37x equals 2. So now the logarithm is the problem, so I'm going to rewrite this as an exponential. So if 6 is the base, 2 is the exponent, and that's equal to the argument. I've got a quadratic equation, so I'm going to set that equal to 0. So negative x squared minus 37x plus 36 equals 0. Well, that factors to, don't have to use a quadratic formula on that one, x minus 36 times x minus 1. That's equal to 0. So that tells me when x equals 36, this equation is 0. When x equals 1, this equation is 0. And if I substitute both of those back into the original equation, I think I get the same. I don't have an extraneous roots. This becomes, let's substitute in 36, log base 6 of negative 36 plus 37 is 1. So let me get a pointer going here. So annotate pointer there. So if I drop in the, if I put in the negative, the positive 36 here, that becomes 1, and 6 to the 0 is 1, so that expression is 0. This expression, if I substitute in 1, I get 0. However, 0 is not equal to 2, so heck, I did 36. I did 30. I did 1, didn't I? I need more coffee. Negative 36 plus 37 is 1. 6 to the 0 is 1, so this side becomes just 1. Becomes just 0. On this side, if I drop in 36, I'm going to get 6 to the second power is 36. So this is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So when x equals 36, that does check. That's not extraneous. If I drop in 1, I'm going to get 36. I'm going to get 1, so I get 36. 6 to the second is 36. So this side is 2. If I substitute in 1 here, I'm going to get 0 there. So 2 equals 2. So that also is a solution that's not extraneous. So there's 2 solutions. That should be 1 and 36. Let's see if that is correct. 136. It's not telling me I've got a error. Submission error. See, maybe my internet's gonna die on me. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm correct. You don't have to sit and wait through my bad internet connection.